Asan yung garlic nuts?
Baka nasa loob. Nakala mo nasa cosplay. Wala ba yung super strength?
Kasi ba yung soft strike?
Pang wash down.
Garlic nuts.
Yes! Wait, ang laki pala nito. Laki ng box.
Oh, there is.
Laki pala. Wow! Ang laki nga.
Kaya pala.
Yun yung garlic nuts?
Worth the
Tingnan
money.
mo.
$40 yan Laki.
Oo. Tingnan mo, oh. Sagad na sagad.
They only had one door open. Their door?
Pwede.
You know, like two. It's a really small door.
Masaya to.
technically.
Video.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yep.